Hello, my lovely viewers. My name is Momita Shah and I am from India, from Surat, Kesaria Textile Company, which is located in Millennium Market Ring Road. It is the biggest mall in Asia, which is known as Millennium Market. And you can find Kesaria Textile Company, which is the best manufacturing company in India, which provides you best quality products in the cheapest rate. And you can go to the Google and search for the ratings also. You can search for the reviews also. You will get exactly more than 1,000 customers reviewing our products there online. So here today I am in the counter of lehenga. First of all, let me show you the lehenga counter. Then you decide whether we have collections good or very good. So these are the lehengas. Like you will find all type of dresses, heavy salwar suit, crop top, lehenga. That type of collection is here. But these are only not the collections. We have many more than these collections. Like there are all collections set everywhere, and we have go down also. This is the place where we show our customers the products. Now come here. This is a place where you will find all types of like haldi wala lehenga, mehendi ka lehenga, siders lehenga. Can you see the floral print? Like this is silk. If you have a customer based in South and Maharashtra, they are fond of wearing this silk type of lehenga. So we have many varieties of silk also. You can see we have this type of work with Swarovski diamond, Jharkhand diamond in silk also. And these type of portly bag collections also. We have all types of varieties of collections, but whatever collections you are seeing here, every collection has a very minimum bare rate because we are a pure manufacturers and we do not add so much profit margin to our customers. Selling and adding profit margin and selling to your customers is actually a job of a retailer. So if you are a retailer or if you are a wholesaler, then you must watch this video, subscribe this channel and do not skip the videos. Now, come here, this is all bridal lehengas. Now look at this lehengas. If you go outside in a retail counter, then you will definitely find this type of handwork lehengas, like about 50,000, 60,000, few are into lakhs also. But here it is almost everything is about 10,000, 5,000, 6,000, 8,000 INR. Yes, it's the rate which I'm speaking, that is INR. It's not in dollars. So if you convert it into dollars or pounds or whichever country you are staying in, it will be in so much lower and cheaper price for you. Now look at the vibrant colors. They are so pretty. Look at this color. I personally like this color because this wine color, purple color is very much in trend. If you are having a reception or if you are owning a business and any customer who is coming to your door for reception collection, then you must provide her with these type of collections because these are pretty unique and pretty beautiful collections. Heavy handwork and beautiful wine and purple color combination. You can see the mirror works, diamond works. Everything is embodied with hand. That's why these lehengas are extremely heavy. And it's not possible for me to pick them up and show you because these are actually heavier than my weight also. Now look at this color. It's a yellow color. If I talk about the fabric, what I say, velvet. Yes, the product is velvet and velvet is very much in trend. You will find this one in velvet, this is velvet, this is velvet, this is velvet, now dark blue color. I've already shown you. This is velvet. So, according to the trend, velvet is very much extremely in trend. Whenever you want to inquire about the prices of lehengas in Kesaria Textile Company, you need to take a screenshot. But in today's video, actually, I'm not showing any particular collection. I'm just taking you through the overview of this counter so that you get an idea whatever collections we actually have. Now come here, look at this lehenga. Come on, if you like it, quickly you can take a screenshot because again, as I'm saying, I cannot pick them up. These are very heavy because these are not machine work. When there are machine work, that those lehengas are always halka pulka, you know, light. But these are handworks. Handworks are usually very heavy because those have weights in it. It will show a very beautiful piece. I'm really liking it. The white of white color. Come closer, then only you can see. Look at the, you know, flower pattern. These are flowers which is matte sequence and beautifully done. This is actually very beautiful. Like this, I'll show one more piece which is actually very similar to this, but pretty similar to this, but it has a different type of design. Look at this lehenga. Any bride wearing this color and having a red color on the top, like on the head, so the bride is going to shine. And yes, let me tell you that we have different types of bridal dupatta also. And for dupatta, we have different counter. If the bride wants red colors, then we have red colors combination lehenga also with us. These are also very pretty. Look at the lehenga. Personally, I love this lehenga. Like, it's not for the bride. The sider can also wear it because it is not that heavy, not that light. I would say that it is a medium side. It's a, like, you can say cocktail party. Like, if you have a cider, your bridesmaid can also wear this type of collection. So it's a multi-purpose collection. We have these type of collections also. Look at this. This is a princess gown. Like, it's a little bit of beige color with a hint of pink on it, and handwork and mirror work, stone work, even Swarovski diamond, and yes, even pearl work. Look at this. Pearl is also there in this gown. So definitely it is going to look you a very beautiful flary look. So here I'll end my video. I hope you like my video, and I've shown you all overview. Slowly and steadily in all my video, I'll give you the images, proper videos of each and every product. So stay tuned. Do not skip any of the videos. My name is Momita Shah. See you again in my next video. Till then, thank you.
साड़ी कुर्ती या हो लहंगा सही दाम